what you got to do is you take your saw, you cut it on a 45, you turn your workpiece 90 degrees, you cut it on another 45. It's as simple as that. Makes a cute little tripartite joint. You'd never see that though on a professional site because it takes way longer. The setup is a pain in the... Plain as the pie on your face, this joint is a terrible joint to fabric cobble with. If you're cutting square tubing square, if you're off by a blonde one on this cut, the hangulation's off by a blonde one, it's no big deal. You can adjust it and it doesn't compound with the other cuts. So you compare 2 independent cuts with 6 dependent cuts. Each one of these hangulations is dependent on the other in order to get the gap right. You see what happens when we're off on the saw, just a blonde one. It compounds, makes a hell of a problem to fit up. Now, you're going to be spending a month of Sundays here welding this in because I can't get too much heat into it. It'll burn through.